Welcome to this introductory video on Enable's literature reviews. The video will be presented by Panu Forsman, Bhavani Ramamurthy, and me, Miika Risku.
So, my name is Panu Forsman, and in this review compilation, there are 4 complementary systemic literature reviews prepared in our Erasmus Plus project called ENABLES, which stands for European Arts-Based Development of Distributed Leadership and Innovation in Schools. And this systematic review has been prepared independently in 4 different universities, and it follows quite traditional structure of a review process. So we have been first selecting the databases that we are using and making the searches for, agreed the search terms, use those to get the first views on how many articles we are finding, doing exclusion criteria and reviewing abstracts. After that, doing full manuscript reviews for selected papers, and through that way getting the final number of papers reviewed. In this picture you see an example from the report detailing Austrian team process on selecting their papers.
Yeah, hi. My name is Bhavani Ramamurthy, and having briefly looked at the search criteria for this literature review compilation, I'm going to walk you through the report structure itself. So essentially, the report structure is a compilation of one major chapter, which is the introduction chapter, followed by the country-wise chapters or sections, one belonging to the United Kingdom, Finland, Austria, and Latvia, respectively. So each of these sections begin with what we call as an executive summary, which gives you a glimpse into the kind of art-based method that was used in that specific university, followed by introduction, method, and findings for each of the universities, depending on what kind of art-based methodology was employed. So essentially, complementing all the textual content that's there in the report are certain visual elements as well. For example, this table, which holds some data or statistics, giving a glimpse of the kind of publications that were used for the literature review. Also, these kind of charts or representations that further kind of add value to the report. Some more examples of charts and visuals that have been included in the review compilation. And also complementing the text is certain visuals. For example, this is an example of the creative approach to analysis that was used. And here is one of the methodologies that was employed at one of the universities, giving an example of design thinking models here. Right, so here are 4 dedicated sections for each of the countries and the universities representing these countries. For example, this is the section from the United Kingdom, where the focus is on art-based activities and embodied methods as an approach. Secondly, the section from Latvia, where the focus was on performance arts, drama, and quite deeply into distributed leadership. And here is the section for Austria, where the focus was on using vignettes and design thinking models as art-based methodologies for leadership development. And finally, the section from Finland, where the focus was on visual art-based methods for leadership development. Thank you.